Welcome to House Lux Estate, your portal to the fascinating world of real estate and beyond. Here at House Lux Estate, we believe that knowledge is power, and we're committed to empowering our viewers with insightful, engaging, and informative content. Our channel covers a wide array of topics, from the enchanting realm of architecture to the dynamic landscape of city planning, from the thrill of home renovations to the intriguing complexities of real estate investment. But our journey doesn't stop there. We also venture beyond the confines of real estate, exploring other captivating arenas that intersect with our lives and societies in surprising ways. Whether it's the latest technology trends, the inner workings of various industries, or the environmental challenges we face, House Lux Estate is here to enlighten and entertain. So buckle up, because today we delve into the exhilarating world of the airline industry and its intricate logistics. Air travel is more than just planes taking off and landing, it's a colossal global operation. Imagine, if you will, a ballet on a grand scale with tens of thousands of performers, each playing a vital role. This is the spectacle of the airline industry, a testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Every day around the world, an estimated 100,000 flights take to the skies, carrying millions of passengers and tons of cargo. From the smallest island territories to the most sprawling metropolises, air travel connects us, shrinks the world, and fuels economies. Consider this: in a single day, airlines transport more than 10 million passengers. That's equivalent to the entire population of Sweden, all taking to the skies in just 24 hours. It's a mind-boggling scale that's hard to truly comprehend, but it's not just people. Every day, airlines also transport approximately 200,000 tons of cargo. That's the equivalent of 80 Eiffel Towers worth of goods, from fresh flowers and exotic fruits to high-tech gadgets and critical medical supplies, all crisscrossing the globe at any given moment. Of course, none of this would be possible without logistics, the unsung hero of the airline industry. It's the intricate dance of planning, coordinating, and executing the movement of people and goods, all while ensuring safety and efficiency. It involves countless professionals, from air traffic controllers and pilots to ground crew and cargo handlers, all working in harmony. The scale of the airline industry is awe-inspiring, but it's also a reminder of the complexity and challenges involved. After all, any system this vast and interconnected requires precision, coordination, and constant vigilance to operate smoothly. Indeed, the sheer scale of the airline industry underscores the importance of seamless logistics. It's a symphony of movement and coordination, a testament to our ability to overcome distance and time. And every day, as tens of thousands of flights take off and land, it's a reminder of just how far we've come and how much further we can go. The logistics of the airline industry are a marvel of modern engineering and organization. Dive in with me as we explore the complexities of airline logistics. It's a symphony of moving parts, each playing a crucial role in orchestrating a successful flight. Let's begin with flight scheduling and route planning. These two aspects go hand in hand. Flight scheduling is all about timing, ensuring that aircraft are on the move as much as possible, maximizing profitability. Route planning, on the other hand, is a strategic puzzle. Airlines must consider a myriad of factors such as air traffic, weather conditions, and fuel efficiency to plot the most effective course. Next up is maintenance. It's a continuous process, carried out meticulously to ensure every aircraft is in top-notch condition. From routine checks to in-depth inspections, the maintenance team leaves no stone unturned. Their relentless dedication to safety is what keeps us flying with peace of mind. Now let's talk about cargo handling. It's not just about loading and unloading luggage. It's also about managing the weight and balance of the aircraft. Too much weight on one side or the other, and it could impact the plane's stability. Passenger services are also a key element of airline logistics. From the moment you check in until you collect your luggage at your destination, a multitude of processes are in play. These include ticketing, security checks, boarding, in-flight services, and more. All these are designed to ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. The beauty of all these elements is how they interplay to ensure efficient operations. Each department, each team, each individual plays a part in this intricate dance. And when they all come together, it results in a seemingly effortless flight, transporting passengers and cargo across continents, through time zones, and over vast oceans. Every flight is a testament to the success of these intricate logistics, From takeoff to landing and everything in between, the airline industry is a masterclass in logistics, proving that even the sky isn't the limit when it comes to human ingenuity and organization. In the digital age, technology plays an integral role in airline logistics. It's like the unseen conductor orchestrating a symphony of planes, people, and parcels. But how exactly does technology make its impact felt in this intricate ballet of logistics? Let's start with real-time tracking. Picture this: thousands of flights crisscrossing the globe, each with its own trajectory and timetable. Now, imagine managing all that traffic without the aid of technology. A daunting task, isn't it? But thanks to GPS and advanced tracking systems, airlines can monitor flights in real time. They can track everything from the location of a plane to the temperature inside the cargo hold. It's akin to having a pair of eagle eyes that never sleep, ensuring flights stay on course and on schedule. But the magic of technology doesn't stop there. It extends to automated systems that streamline processes and reduce human errors. For instance, automated baggage handling systems are now commonplace in airports worldwide. These robotic systems ensure that your suitcase makes it to the right plane and then onto the right carousel at your destination. It's like a high-speed dance performed by machines, choreographed to the millisecond. Then we have data analytics, the hidden hero of airline logistics. By collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data, airlines can make informed decisions that enhance efficiency and profitability. They can forecast passenger demand, optimize flight schedules, and manage fuel consumption. It's like having a crystal ball that predicts the future, helping airlines stay one step ahead. But what's truly fascinating is how these technological elements come together to form a seamless system. A system that keeps millions of passengers and tons of cargo moving smoothly across the globe every day. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the transformative power of technology. With the continuous advancement of technology, airline logistics will only become more efficient and reliable. It's an exciting journey, and we're all aboard whether we realize it or not. Like any industry, the airline industry faces its share of challenges. Navigating around these obstacles requires a level of sophistication and innovation that is truly awe-inspiring. One of the most unpredictable elements in airline logistics is weather. Storms, high winds, and other atmospheric disturbances can throw the best plans into disarray, forcing airlines to reroute flights, causing delays and disruptions that ripple across the globe. Yet, with every storm weathered, the industry learns, adapts, and evolves. Security is another critical concern. Ensuring the safety of passengers and crew is paramount, and the logistics of achieving this can be immensely complex, from screening passengers and baggage to securing the aircraft and the myriad of processes in between. It's a constant, high-stakes balancing act between efficiency and vigilance. Then there's the environmental impact. As a major contributor to global carbon emissions, the airline industry is under increasing pressure to find greener solutions. This challenge is not just about reducing emissions, but also about managing waste, minimizing noise pollution, and preserving biodiversity. Looking to the future, we see a horizon filled with potential developments and improvements. The advent of more fuel-efficient aircraft, the use of alternative fuels, and the integration of cutting-edge technology all hold the promise of a greener, more efficient, and more resilient airline industry. Artificial intelligence and data analytics are poised to revolutionize flight planning and scheduling, while advances in material science could lead to lighter, stronger, and more fuel-efficient aircraft. Meanwhile, ongoing research into alternative fuels could help reduce the industry's carbon footprint. Moreover, the industry's commitment to continuous learning and adaptation means that every challenge faced is an opportunity for growth and innovation. This dedication, coupled with the unyielding spirit of human ingenuity, ensures that the airline industry will continue to evolve, improve, and inspire. Despite these challenges, the future of airline logistics looks promising, driven by continuous innovation and dedication. The logistics of the airline industry is a complex yet fascinating subject. We've journeyed through the vast scale of this industry, delving into the intricate logistics required to keep everything in motion. We've seen how technology is driving change and innovation, shaping the future of aviation logistics. And of course, we've taken a glimpse at the challenges that this industry must navigate to ensure a seamless experience for passengers and cargo alike. What's clear is that the complexity of airline logistics is astounding, a symphony of moving parts and coordinated efforts. Yet, it's this very complexity that makes it such an essential and captivating field. The continual drive for efficiency, the adoption of cutting-edge technology, and the constant adaptation to new challenges all make the airline industry an exciting space to watch. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the logistics of the airline industry. Remember to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.